that was a really scary experience. Welcome back to my channel, welcome to a new video. So first of all, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. You guys have made me so happy, and thank you for showering so much of love on all my videos and all for your support and everything, and the love and everything that you have been giving me since the past 1 year. 300 सब्सक्राइबर्स एक बहुत छोटा नंबर लग सकता है काफ़ी लोगों को, बट 300 सब्सक्राइबर्स मेरे लिए काफ़ी बड़ा एक चीज़ है. एंड आई थिंक नंबर मैटर नहीं करता. आप लोगों का सपोर्ट, आप लोगों का प्यार जो मुझे पिछले 1 साल से मिलते आ रहा है, दिस जस्ट means so much to me. So thank you for being so supportive and so lovely. I love my audience. I love you guys so much. And I thought of doing a Q&A for you guys on reaching 300 subscribers. It's like a 300 subscriber special Q&A video. मैं ये वीडियो इसीलिए बना रही हूँ firstly क्योंकि पिछले वीडियो में I got comments that you guys wanted me to do a Q&A. अब Q&A मैंने पहले भी किया है, अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो आप जाके देख सकते हैं. I tried to pick out the questions which would be fun and which would be a little different for this video. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time talking, and let's get straight away in today's video. Like so creative. I mean, you guys have gone a little over the top with the questions, but I totally enjoyed it. So I picked some fun questions, but हम basic questions से start करते हैं and then we'll move on to the first question. Was mention 3 things that I cannot leave my home without. Okay, so the 3 things that I cannot leave my home without would definitely be 1, my phone. Second, my earphone. I don't know why, but I just cannot go anywhere without an earphone. ये I think बहुत लोगों का ही है. काफ़ी लोग हैं जो earphones या AirPods के बगैर बाहर नहीं जा सकते. I'm one of that person. So I need earphone because I need music when I'm going somewhere. And the third thing is of course my wallet. मुझे लगता है wallet के बिना आप कहीं जा नहीं सकते. अब अगर मैं अकेली हूँ तो चाबी, of course, house keys. But it's not that necessary for me to carry house keys, keeping in mind that I don't live alone now. So yeah, wallet, phone and my earphones. These are the top 3 things. Question is my favorite Bollywood movie and my favorite series. So for favorite series, I'm definitely gonna keep Dark, because that is a mind-blowing series, you guys. If you have not watched Dark, then please go watch Dark. I highly recommend it, and it is just superb, like amazing. And my favorite Bollywood movie would definitely be Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Yeah, that movie, since I was very young, I've actually been a fan of that movie, so it has not yet changed. मैंने वो movie शायद से कम 100 बार देख ली है अभी तक, and I don't get bored. Like I can watch it any day again. So definitely Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is gonna be my favorite Bollywood. Any beautiful memories in the past few weeks? In the past few weeks, as in August has been a pretty good month. It was filled with my friend's birthday. 2 of my best friends' birthday was in August, and we had a lot of fun celebrating birthdays and stuff. Then a lot of new things happened in my personal life as well, which was pretty good. And I think August was a month full of happiness, and मैं और मेरे दोस्त सब मिलके actually we had a lot of fun. I also went to college after so many days last month. So yeah, last month has been pretty good and pretty happening. I think among all the months in 2021, August was a pretty good month, compared to the other months. So the question is, how do I spend my weekends? Now I like this question, so I picked it out. Now weekdays में क्या होता है ना, 5 दिन I am doing something or the other. सुबह को I wake up really early from Monday to Friday, and then शाम तक I am doing something or the other. Then शाम को लेके like I'm in my final year, so there is a lot of things that I am learning now, and I just like to keep myself busy शाम को भी. So I have been doing a lot of new things. So to be honest, weekdays में एकदम time नहीं मिलता to do something alone, like to spend a quality time with myself. But then weekends को, it's like it's just me time. I wake up, I listen to music, I pamper myself, I might cook if I feel like. Then weekends ko is the only time when I get a lot of time to watch series, so that's why I really like the weekends. Then I might just sit and gossip with my friends. That is something that I do every day actually, but still वीकेंड्स को समटाइम्स like कभी कभी प्लान भी बन जाता है कहीं जाने का, बट आई एम मोर ऑफ just like spending time with me, and I think that gives me a lot of peace rather than going out. I don't like socializing a lot. I don't know why. That is what I generally do on the weekends, and it is not very happening. It's just, I think normally what people do on weekends is something that I also do on weekends. Is how do I encourage myself to make more and more videos on a daily basis? I don't make videos on a daily basis, but जब मैं वीडियो बनाने बैठती हूँ, I just make sure that I make at least 3 to 4 videos that I get, you know, to upload the whole week. But फिर भी lately थोड़ी ज़्यादा like I'm off track, and I just did not feel like I had the energy last week to make any videos. So I have been like pushing it, and अभी जाके I'm finally making videos. कल भी बनाया था, आज भी I'm shooting. So yeah, I think last 2 दिन थोड़ा productive था, but last week was not it. जब मैं बैठ जाती हूँ, I make sure that I make contents जो मैं एक हफ्ते एटलीस्ट डाल सकूँ. बट encouragement की बात आती है, सो येस आई फील demoralized sometimes that यार मन नहीं कर रहा वीडियो बनाने का, या फिर I'm just not getting that energy. Then you know I just be like no, you have to do it, you have got to do it. And I believe that hard work के बिना कुछ नहीं मिलता. So ये मैं अपने दिमाग में चलाती रहती हूँ कि if I don't work out, then how can I achieve something in this line or in any other line that I'm working in. So ये सब सोच के then I get up and I get the energy to go and work. But इससे ज़्यादा I think encouragement और कुछ नहीं है to work on a daily basis for me. Again, something which I found really good, and that is, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? So next 5 years I will be 26, and by 26, now I don't really want to work a 9 to 5 job. I really want to make my career in this influencing and content I just want to make my career in this blogger thing, and I just want to be a famous blogger, influencer, and I just want to create content for my living. I want to make YouTube videos, and I want to make a living out of it, and just be a fashionista and just do something that I love and something that I'm passionate about. I'm actually passionate about this. So in the next 5 years, if I work hard, I think I might reach at some point where I can be happy in doing what I am. But if not, because there is always a but and a if, so if not, then definitely I want a job which I'm happy doing, and by 26 I would just at least want to buy an asset for me. And buy an asset, I think you guys know what I mean. I really don't need to explain anything, but yeah, every girl has a dream to get her own house, get her own car, and just have a secured life. Because I am really not that kind of a person who is a strong believer in you need a partner to just like by 25 26 you will need a partner, or you will need some kind of security in life. No, I am my own security in life, and I think I just have to work to that extent where I can make my own life secure. So that is what I think I would want the 26-year-old me to just watch this video and just think, yeah, I actually got it. So that is what I'm looking forward to. I just want to just make a really good, comfortable life for me and my parents. And so yeah, बहुत ही simple answer. This is what I see me, or I find me doing in the next 5 years. What do I do when I feel discouraged? So yes, there is a lot of time when I feel discouraged. Maybe इस वीडियो में ज़्यादा अच्छा views नहीं आया, then I feel that शायद लोगों को ये content अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा. What can I do to make people like my videos and stuff? So that time में क्या होता है, वो जो energy होता है ना body से, वो drain हो जाता है. It just feels like people are not like watching this. अब क्या करूँ, अब छोड़ दूँ. Like एक demoralization होता है ना दिमाग में. But then there is always a voice in your head with whom you can talk to. At least I talk to that voice in my head जिसके साथ मैं बातें करती हूँ. Like मैं अगर ऐसे give up करती हूँ तो कैसे चलेगा? If I give up, then it might not work out. I have to work hard. ये वो I keep on like talking to myself in my head, and then I also watch a lot of people's videos जो ऐसे videos बनाते हैं that if you feel discouraged, then it's not the end. And like I watch this kind of inspirational videos. वो videos काफ़ी ज़्यादा I put in application in reality, but still to some extent, like to some extent it does help. So yeah, that is generally something that I do. Otherwise, if I am like feeling something in my head, I definitely go out and talk to it with my best friend and my mom. I just tell them that ऐसा लग रहा है अब क्या करूँ. And even I ask my friends to motivate me at times. They will be watching this video and they know what I'm talking about. I ask them a lot that yaar motivation nahi aa raha, motivate kar. So they be like, come on Anushka, you can do it. So yeah, these are a few things that, you know, encouraged me again. Was, have I done any paid campaigns? What was my first earning? Now I have seen a lot of YouTubers actually talking about their earnings and stuff, but I think ये earning वगैरह ना बहुत personal होता है. And at least अभी मैं उस stage पे नहीं हूँ जहाँ पे I'm very comfortable in talking about how much I'm earning anything, because it is definitely not something which is permanent, and it is also not something which is what's talking about or like giving you tips or anything how you can earn and stuff, because it is not permanent. It's on a temporary basis. तो क्या होता है, monthly sometimes I get paid campaigns, so with that I work and then I get paid for it. So I think the first earning was in the 4 digits, which is I think cool, because अभी मैं जिस stage पे हूँ, I'm like a nano influencer in this big market. So इसमें भी if I'm earning a little bit for myself, I just feel, you know, encouraged कि yeah, if I work hard then I can make a living out of it. ये जो encouragement मिलती है ना, that is everything that I need. Okay, ये सब paid campaigns वगैरह तो है of course, but ये जो करके जो खुशी मिलती है ना, and it just, you know, motivates me to like, it just pushes me forward that yes, I can make a living out of it someday if I keep on working harder. But yeah, sorry, I'm not really comfortable with talking about the exact. If I become a boy, what is the first thing that I would do? If I become a boy one day, the first thing that I would do will definitely click a lot of pictures, because the next day I might turn into a girl, and I would love to show everyone that I turned boy for a day, and I would need proof for it, right? So I'm gonna like record myself like making videos and you know, like talking in that boy voice and like man's voice, and just click a lot of pictures so that I can send it to my friends and family. Who was the last person who made you cry and why? So I think it's been really long since I've cried for someone or someone has made me cry. I think the last time I cried was watching Sher Shah. That was back in August, yeah, last month. But other than that, there is no one who actually made me cry, or lately I have not really, I think, cried for anything. So that's a good sign. Have I ever been chased by a dog? So yes, I have. I was, I think, 5 or 6 years old, and I went with my mom to one of her relatives' house, and there was this one white fluffy dog. I think that's the Spitz breed. I'm not really sure क्योंकि तब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मुझे याद भी नहीं है वो dog कैसे दिखता था. But that dog was like, so they had that pet dog. And मुझे याद है मैं शाम के टाइम पे छत पे गई थी, and छत पे I saw that dog. Okay, so the dog actually wanted to play with me. अब तब मैं छोटी थी, मेरे को लगा वो dog मेरे पे कूदेगा और मेरे को काटेगा and खा लेगा, you know, like what kind of thoughts kids used to have. So dog probably thought that maybe I was like trying to play with it, so he was also like running behind me, and I got so scared that I thought, oh my god, the dog is chasing me, and I just, you know, fell down the stairs and just went and locked myself in a room. So yeah, that is what I did. And I think I'm not really sure if the dog was actually trying to chase me or the dog was actually trying to play with me, but yeah, that was not a very happy experience. That was actually pretty scary because I was hella scared at that moment. So yeah, maybe that was the first ever time and the last ever time that I was chased by a dog. I don't know कब कोई कुत्ता मेरे पीछे भागे, but that was a really scary experience. The next question is, if you could settle anywhere in the world at this moment, where would you want to go? Like in a different country? Like, you mean like in a different country, I hope. So if it has to be any country that I want to settle in at the moment or any time in my life, it would definitely be France. I don't know, but I just love France, and I would love to, you know, just stay in France and, you know, just settle there. That country is so beautiful. The people are so beautiful. I would love to just, you know, work in France, stay there, and, you know, just settle there for life. France is my top priority, guys. This was it. I think this is going to be a pretty long video, and I will see that while editing, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I had a lot of fun answering your questions because you guys have given me some really nice and cool questions which were a little different and fun to answer. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as well, and if you did, then make sure to hit on the like button, comment down below, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share this with your friends and family so they can, you know, find my content, and I hope they like it too. If you have not yet followed me on Instagram, the handle is here on the screen. Go and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, bye.